In this video, we will discuss about the zero data retention. So, before discussing what is a zero data retention, we will see like how a LLM tool, customer facing LLM tool will be like generative AI or chatbot or any other customer facing tool without any trust layer. So there is no trust layer. Imagine there is no trust layer. Then what happens is user will add their prompt will be sent to the LLM. LLM will use that prompt to generate the response, and then response will be shown to the user. So after this is what we know. But what LLM also does is it will take the prompt, it will take the response, and it will take the data which we have sent, and it will use it for the model training. That is what general LLM does. So during this whole process, we Salesforce doesn't want it to have its customer data or the prompt or response for the model training. So this way, we can make sure our data is secure and our data is not set to any prompt injection techniques like we discussed in the previous video. So this will make sure our customers feel very trusted and secure, which is why they have introduced this Einstein trust layer. And in this Einstein trust layer, zero data retention is that one. So for any LLM model, like whatever we are integrating for any external based API LLM model, which we are integrating with the Salesforce, it will not store our prompt, our data, and the response generated based on our prompt for the LLM training. So whenever the response is sent back to the Salesforce, immediately our prompt response data, everything will be deleted on the model, LLM model side. So this is called as zero data retention policy. So this is what the Salesforce had made an agreement with the LLMs. Okay, because of this, the customer data is very secure, and not just customer data, it will also not use our prompts and responses for the LLM model training. We will see about the response journey in the next video. Thank you.